A jolt and then you'll die.
Are you looking for the best video protection for your vehicle? Introducing the Blackview DR900X Series 4K UHD dash cams. With 4K ultra-high resolution, high shutter speed, and a wide angle of view, you'll capture the highest quality videos day and night in crisp detail. Nobody likes getting bogged down by large file sizes. That's why Blackview uses the best video compression technology to keep file sizes down, letting you store more footage, even at high resolutions. With 5 GHz Wi-Fi and optimized video substreams, video transfer to your phone is blazing fast. We understand that you're not always with your car. The DR900X makes it easier than ever before to connect to the cloud by pairing your dash cam with a mobile hotspot or plugging in the optional LTE module. Built-in voltage monitoring lets you hardwire your Blackview, so it's powered even when you're away without draining your vehicle's battery. Blackview DR900X Series, the ultimate 4K cloud dash cam.
The 522GW features 1440p 2K resolution and even a polarizing filter to reduce glare and reflection. The 3-inch touchscreen makes setup so easy and is great for viewing back any of your footage. The My Nextbase Connect app allows you via a Wi-Fi signal to connect your phone directly to your camera on the go. Great for viewing and sharing your footage to the police, to your insurance company, or even to your friends. Nextbase Emergency SOS is our groundbreaking feature that is potentially a lifesaver. In the event of an accident and you're unresponsive, your phone will contact the emergency services with your exact location and even things like your blood type. The intelligent parking feature means that if you're away from your car and the camera detects a jolt to your vehicle, it will start recording the incident, making sure you miss absolutely nothing. Alexa built-in is an incredible feature that allows you to control your dash cam with your voice, whether it's controlling your music, asking for directions, or controlling features of your dash cam. And with the My Nextbase player free to download to your computer, you can view, edit, and share all of your footage. And with our super accurate GPS, which refreshes 10 times every second, you'll be sure to have every single detail on your dash cam. So let's take a look at this in the car. It was really important to us that we make getting your dash cam in and out of your car as easy as possible. So our engineers created the click and go mount, and this is the only dash cam you will find this feature on. As we can see, installation is remarkably simple. And with our patented click and go mount, you simply install like so. And when you're ready to remove it from the car, you take it off. The install cable is very easy to install around your roof lining and then simply connect to your in-car power. We always recommend a Nextbase microSD card, and this particular model will support up to 128 gigabytes. The 522GW is compatible with all 3 of our rear view cameras. Our cabin camera that records everything within the vehicle itself. Secondly, it will support our rear view camera that uses a telephoto lens to record everything happening outside the back of your vehicle. And finally, our rear window camera that adheres to your rear windscreen and records all movement from behind your car. With our award-winning 522GW dash cam, you can ensure that you and your family are kept safe and you have proof in the event of any incident.
The brand that's been trusted by the world's most famous automakers. U1000. HD, full HD, 2K, but now 4K resolution. Okay, now this comes from a brand that has an 83% high customer satisfaction rating. The brand that's been trusted by the world's most famous automakers. The first 4K dash cam from Thinkware. Introducing U1000. So, what's so different about this dash cam compared to the others? 24 days of long parking mode. You can still go on a trip for a couple of weeks and come back, and this thing will still record every impact on your car. It can even communicate with smartphones, showing live view right on the screen. You can even find your car location, and it's updated every 10 seconds. Ha! Not so normal, it's a very special dash cam. We've been waiting for this dash cam for a long time, right? Small device that brings big change. ThinkWare Dashcam U1000.
With your best interest in mind, we've built a dash cam that not only provides you with out-front video footage, but also captures what's happening inside the vehicle. Let me introduce you to Garmin's brand new Dashcam Tandem. From the parents driving their kids to practice, to rideshare drivers, and anyone in between, you want peace of mind that if an unexpected event or accident occurs, clear evidence of what happened will be captured. So if you're seeking complete video coverage to help protect you while driving, look no further. The Dashcam Tandem is for you. Tandem is a true purpose-built powerhouse. It features two 180-degree field of view lenses that record in tandem, providing complete video coverage around the driver both day and night. The front-facing lens records in Super HD 1440p to capture crisp footage showing critical vehicle details. The interior lens features our exclusive night glow technology, which allows you to see driver and passenger activity in any lighting conditions. Don't let us forget to mention the Tandem is small. It's a pocket-sized unit. But don't let the small size fool you. This device is packed full with great features. And hey, who hasn't heard that when you're driving, you need to concentrate on the road? It's so critical for safe driving not to be distracted with pushing buttons that we included voice controls in the Tandem. This will allow drivers to keep their hands on the wheel by using voice commands. It's as simple as saying, "Okay, Garmin," to tell the camera to save the video, start and stop the audio recording, and more. We know when an accident occurs, your first thought may not be to save your footage. But don't worry, we've got you covered with automatic incident detection. The Tandem automatically saves footage when it detects an incident has occurred. And since it has an onboard GPS, it also captures where and when the event occurred. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can easily view and share the video right on your smartphone using the Garmin Drive app. With all of these great features, it has to be hard to operate, right? Nope. You've come to know and expect our products to be intuitive and easy to use, and the Tandem is no exception. The device is ready to use right out of the box with the included microSD card and power cable. Just plug it into a vehicle power source and the Tandem automatically records. The dual USB power cord also gives you an extra USB port for convenient phone charging. So all of these features are great while you're driving, but what about when you're away from your vehicle? That's a great question. The Tandem has a parking surveillance mode, so it will automatically record motion in front of and inside the vehicle when the car is parked and turned off. Now you can have peace of mind while you're driving and while you're away from your vehicle.
This is the Yi Smart Dashcam. The 165-degree wide-angle camera records at 1080p at 60 frames per second to capture the important details from every angle. It features ADAS, the Advanced Driving Assistance System. It provides real-time lane departure and frontal collision warnings to keep you safe on the road.
VIZO 360 Smart Dashcam. Beautiful design, intelligent features, a refined innovation for car security. The specially designed mount supports all types of cars, and the strong magnetic attachment makes it effortless to install. My new life with VIZO begins now. It was clearly this idiot's fault, and I can prove it. VIZO's 360 camera system captures all around my car without any blind spots. Using the dedicated app, I can wirelessly transfer videos to my phone, and the 4K HD video shows everything in crystal clear detail. But VIZO automatically detects accidents even when my car is off, and the low-power sensors do not drain the car's battery. With its 4G capability, I'm notified immediately by receiving a video clip to my phone. 6:21 p.m. It's been a long day and I feel quite sleepy. Thankfully, VIZO's sleep detection feature uses facial recognition to alert a drowsy driver. That was close. VIZO, you saved my life. 11:16 p.m. I'm finally back home. As a crime deterrent, Viso's bright LED light remains on at all times. This lets others know that Viso is watching. Looks like I'm in safe hands. 9:46 a.m. I go on a road trip with my best friends. Why don't I capture this spontaneous moment? With just a single press of a button, I can take a selfie in the car as well as the outside landscape, all in one seamless 360 image or video. With the dedicated internal battery, I can even take Viso outside to use it just like a regular 360 camera. An unforgettable memory captured in a gorgeous 360-degree image. And I can quickly share my photos and videos to social media directly from the Viso app.
You are going to install a backup camera on your car. Firstly, you need a horrible electric drill. Then remove your trunk's interior panel. And if you need to handle the complex wiring, my God, this is mission impossible. Is there a true wireless backup camera? Yes. One-step installation, finished in 5 minutes. Unbelievable. It's already done. True wireless installation is so easy. AUTO-VOX Solar Wireless Backup Camera.
Introducing the Wayland Secure 360 4G, a breakthrough in automotive security. This innovative system utilizes dashcam features while you're driving and activates advanced security sensors when parked. With an amazing single lens, Secure 360 produces a true 360-degree field of view, capturing everything going on inside and outside your vehicle. So here's how it works. Secure 360 actively scans the perimeter of your vehicle using a suite of advanced low-power sensors. When motion or impact is detected, the camera will immediately record video to the micro SD card. High-speed 4G data delivers real-time alerts and live streaming through the Secure 360 mobile app, so you'll see the full story as it unfolds. Automatic uploading of the event video to the cloud keeps evidence secure, even if the camera is stolen or disabled. The Secure 360 is designed for any vehicle and every driver, from the daily commuter, rideshare services, or families with young drivers. With the Secure 360, you can document an accident, locate your car quickly with a GPS map, preserve your driving record, or catch a thief in the act. So even if this happens, you'll have evidence to provide authorities and your insurance company. Protect your vehicle with the Wayland Secure 360.